Hi, this video is a continuation of the previous video on the Laravel installation and the login and logout dashboard. And in this video, I will explain the CRUD operations in Laravel. Okay, first we'll check the Laravel folder structure. This is the Laravel folder. In the Laravel folder, app is the main folder. In this app, HTTP. In the HTTP, there is a controllers. And second one, in the app, there is a model. And next, there is a resource. In this resource, there is a view folder. Okay. And first, we'll create one student model with migration. Go to DOS mode and go to particular folder, htdocs cd sample project. Yes, this is our Laravel folder structure. First, PHP artisan make model student. Before that, we'll check in the model. In this app, in the app model. So only before that, only user.php, this is only one model. Now we'll enter. This to create the one model. So this will take 2-3 minutes. Yes, model is created successfully. Okay. To check the model, yes, student model is created successfully. Now we'll check the table. Go to the database and migrations. In this migrations, there is a table created. In this schema is created. Now to update the schema, before that we'll check localhost. In this localhost, phpMyAdmin. In this to update the schema, name, email, this one string, name, the column name, data type, string, email, and string, column name phone. Okay, save. And this is our database name, sample project. In this sample project there is no student table before. Now we update, run the migration. PHP artisan migrate. Yes, table creation successfully completed. Now to refresh. Yes, student table is created successfully. Okay, now to create the controller. To create the controller, first we'll check app htdocs controller. There is no student controller. Now to write PHP artisan make controller student controller. Okay, just enter. Yes, controller created successfully. To check the yes, student controller created successfully. Okay, now to open the student controller, in this now the first is the keyword app models student. Okay, and next is HTTP request. In this class student controller extends controller. In this first we'll write the function public function index. Okay, this one is the first function, and next public function create. This one is the second function. Next public function to store the data request $request. This one is keywords. Okay, next public function edit $edit $ID. Okay, and next public function update request $request $ID. Okay, and next public function destroy DSTROY. Spellings is very important. Yes, so we'll write one by one. Okay, first to write in the index. In the index $student is the variable student all. That means to fetch the data return view students index comma compact students. Okay, and next Coming to creation, return view students create. Okay, and next to store the data, student create dollar request. Okay, all. Okay, next return redirect is the keyword students. Okay, and next coming to edit. In this edit, dollar student is equal to student find is the keyword. Okay, and return view students edit, comma edit, comma compact student. Okay, now to update, dollar student is equal to student find dollar ID, and next dollar student update is the keyword dollar request all. Okay, now to return redirect student. Okay, now to destroy student destroy ID, same return redirect students. Okay, now to save. Okay, after that to add modal, go to modal and students. In this students, to add the data protected is the keyword dollar fillable array, name, comma email, comma phone. Okay, now save. To go to the roots, yes, now to go to the roots, roots go to the roots folder. In the roots folder, go to the web. In the web, we'll go to the first to use app HTTP controller to student controller. That means to call the student controller. Now root middleware. In this middleware AUTH, in this group the keyword function group with the function, the keyword in this we'll write the root the keyword, always root is the keyword, get is the function. In this students comma next to call the controller, student controller class comma index. Okay, in this next same copy, in this paste, in this we'll change second one, get students to create and same comma students creator last to create. Okay, and next to store okay, same comma same controller same to store, and next edit same controller the same and edit, and next coming to update. Okay, update. In the update there is ID is required, and edit also there is ID is required. ID. Okay, and update also ID also required, controller is the same and update, and next coming to delete. Same ID. Okay, controller is same, and here it is, the function is destroy, DESTROY. Okay, now to save. Yes, save. Now to create the views. And go to resources and view folder and the students. Okay. And index.blade, create.blade and edit.blade. This go to resources. In the resources, go to view. In the view, to create the folder students. Okay. In this folder, to create the file index.blade.php. Yes. In this, first we will create the link. First we will create the link. In this link, to create the link, in this link href. In the href, there is a Bootstrap class. To add the Bootstrap class is required in this. Just go to the Bootstrap classes. Bootstrap CDN. In this, just the Bootstrap CDN. And this, just go to the Bootstrap dot okay. In this, to copy, noted all these things. Just copy this one, copy, otherwise copy this one, paste, this one no need, and this style sheet is required. And division container div dot container. In this empty file to space top is required. And in this, first student name, students list, and in this, to anchor tag. In this anchor tag, there is a students creator. Okay, same class is equal to btn primary and mb3. This one is to Bootstrap classes, add student. Okay, and next to create the table, anchor tag, btn, yes, save. Okay, and next to create the table, in this table class is equal to table bordered. Okay, and in this there is a tr tag. In this tr tag there is a th. In the th id, next th name, next th email, next th phone, next th action. Okay, and then after that to pass the for each loop, for each dollar students as dollar student. Okay, in this next to write another tr. In this tr will fetch the data dynamically, same. In this dollar student id. Okay, and next coming to same copy, paste. Here it is student is the table name and column name, email and phone. Next coming to this one, first tr. In this tr all these things is td. Okay, and next coming to next td. In this td there is anchor tag. In this anchor tag students edit. Okay, dollar student id, and the class is equal to btn warning. Okay, that means to edit the data. And next coming to anchor tag, same students delete. okay, and same, okay, dollar student id, okay, and same class is equal to btn danger, okay. That means to delete the data, okay. Next to close the td and close the tr, and next end for each, and end division, save, okay. Next to create the create view, in this new create blade dot php, in this same division class is controller, container, otherwise we will write division container empty5, and same h2 add student, okay. And in this form tag is required, in this to form method is equal to post, same action is equal to students store, and method is equal to post. Now okay, so inside the form there is CSRF is required in the Laravel default function. In this input type is equal to text, name is equal to name, class is equal to Bootstrap classes, controller and mb2, and placeholder is equal to name, okay. And now same input type is equal to email, and name is equal to email, and the class is equal to same form control mb2, and placeholder is equal to as it is email. And now next input type is equal to text, same name is equal to phone, class is equal to same form control, and next placeholder is equal to phone, okay. Now to create the button, in this button save, in this button class is equal to btn success, okay. Next to close the form tag, to close the div, save. Now to edit the blade, same new edit blade dot php. In this same division container, okay, in this same empty file, okay, and h2 edit student heading name. In this same form, action is equal to students update, okay. In this update dollar student id is the same, okay. Id is the same, and method is equal to post. Method is equal to post. Is equal to post. Inside the form, @ CSR of mandatory, and the next input, same input, type is equal to text, and name is equal to name, value is equal to, here the value is equal to dollar student name, okay, and same class is equal to form control mb2, okay, and same input type is equal to email, name is equal to email, value is equal to same dollar student email, okay, and same class is equal to form control, mb2 for spacing. And next input type is equal to text, name is equal to phone, and value is equal to same dollar student phone, okay, and same class is equal to form control mb2, okay. Now to close the form, to close the divin, okay. Now to save, okay, and now to dashboard. In this dashboard, to add buttons. In this dashboard, anchor tag, in this students, okay, class is equal to btn success, Okay, and student management. Okay, now we will check. Now we will check step by step. Go to browser. In this browser, and before that, to start the project, PHP artisan server. To start the server, and go to the browser. In the browser, to open the server. Yes, in this, just go to the students. What is the controller? In this, go to the project. In this project, go to the root. In this root, go to the web. And this web, in this error, you just go to the roots. Go to the roots. In these roots, just go to the web. In this web, just check the method post store, that means post, and root name is students. And to start the server, cmd, otherwise you cmd, and the cmd XAMPP ht docs cd sample project. And this PHP artisan server. In this server, just server name, and again we'll copy, and students. Yes, in this students, just add students. Srinivas@gmail.com, phone number, save. And next, to edit, Srinivas2, to update, to delete, yes, to delete automatically. Okay, thank you.